Hey everybody, it's Dylan here with Segway of Ontario. Today we're going to be unboxing the new Ninebot Mecha Kit. The Ninebot Mecha Kit is compatible with the Ninebot S, the S Pro, and the S Kids, but today I'm going to be using the Ninebot S to assemble this device today. Essentially, the Ninebot S serves as the front two wheels and the motor of this device. So you do need it. It does not come with this device. It must be bought separately. This is the first time I've had a chance to see this device, so I am just as excited as you to get this open and start assembling. Let's get into it. That's awesome. Let's have a look now what's in the box. One, target practice right here, essential. This is our user manuals in here, some power cords and these little foam bolsters and some screws here. We have our water pellets right here for firing at our friends, not at anyone's face. So we let these soak in water for about 4 hours and then they're ready to go. Some extra canisters right here for our water pellets. Oh yeah. It's our seat right here. Lovely seat. Got the Segway logo back here. That's beautiful. We got our joysticks right here. These are awesome, our little armrests. Driving around, firing water pellets. That's awesome. I just want to walk. I don't even need the rest of the device. I just need this. Some extra little tools in here for our assembly. All right, and then the frame of our Mecha Kit right here. Woo. This is actually pretty light. Like if you compare it to the go-kart, for instance, I can't pick up the go-kart kit or the go-kart Pro on my own, but lifting the Mecha Kit was actually pretty easy to do. I got it on this table just fine by myself. So that's a pretty nice plus. So this is the frame right here. Nice, our wheels. Most of this comes already assembled, which is really nice. Saves us a lot of work. And finally right here. Now this looks like it's going to be the attachment for our Ninebot S. So this will be important for us to hang on to. And looks like we're going to tighten some straps around our Ninebot S right here. Let's put that aside. So let's open up the Ninebot S now. What I really love about the Ninebot S is how versatile it is. So it's compatible with not only the Ninebot Go-Kart, but now also the Ninebot Mecha Kit. So this is kind of like the motor, it's the hub for all these other accessories that you can get for it. So let's open up the Ninebot S and then let's start the assembly. It's our little user manual right here. This is our knee bar for when we're riding it just as the Ninebot S. This part will not be necessary for the Mecha Kit because obviously the Mecha Kit's going to sit on top of the device. So you can hang on to this if you ever want to take it off the Mecha Kit and still use it as a self-balancing device. But for the sake of this video, I'm not going to be using this. Ooh, there she is. A couple other things in the box right here. You're going to have your charger, a couple tools for assembly, the air valve extender, because to get inside to pump your tires, you're going to need this extender right there. They're a slightly different size valve than that of a bicycle, so that's why you need this adapter to pump your tires. And then the lid, which is essentially the cover for the knee bar. So let's get all the parts for the Ninebot Mecha Kit on the table and let's start the assembly. Okay, so the first step is going to be to get the seat onto the frame of the Mecha Kit. To do that, I'm just going to remove some of this foam padding first. Beautiful. So now what we're left with is this stunning frame, and let's get the seat on it. So what we want to do is we just want to make sure we're lining up the holes that are in the seat right here, and that they're aligning with the holes here on the frame of the Mecha Kit. So I'm going to put it on like this. Looks good. And in this bag right over here, I've got my Allen key, and then I've also got 4 screws here. There's already some Loctite on these, which is awesome, so you know it's going to stay nice and snug. Don't feel like you need to put more on there. And I'm just going to put it in like this, and we're going to tighten it up. All right, so now all we're going to do is we're going to take these foam pads, we're going to remove the backing right here to reveal the adhesive, and then we're going to stick them over these holes right here just to cover up the screws. Beautiful. All set to go. So the next step now is to get these armrests and our little joysticks with our triggers onto the frame of the Mecha Kit. The side with the logo is going to be the side that is on the outside. So no logo, logo right there. So this is going to go on this side right here. So what I need to do now is I'm just going to remove the cover right here just to access the inner circuitry. So to do that, I just kind of pull right here, and then this part will just pop off like that. And now I'm going to have access to this cable right here, which I'm going to use to connect to the frame of the Mecha Kit. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to pass this wire from the frame of the Mecha Kit up and under into the armrest right here. And then all we're going to do is connect the wire from the armrest into the wire from the frame, just like that. And then all I need to do is push forward and it'll click into place, like that. Okay, so now I'm just going to repeat those same steps again on the other side. I've already removed the cover from this one right here. All I'm going to do is I'm going to take the wire from the frame, I'm going to pass it up and under the armrest right here, and then I'm going to just align this like that. We're going to connect the wire. Nice to hear it click. I'm going to put it in. And then I'm just going to line up these little green pieces right here into the white slots. And then all I'm going to do is I'm going to press forward. So I'm going to go like this until it clicks into place. Then we'll take our cover right here and we'll just put it back on. The next step, we're just going to put our battery right here into this compartment right here and connect it. So to do that, I'm just going to press right here on the compartments. The compartment's going to open. It's really satisfying. And then I'm just going to grab the wire that's inside, and we're just going to connect these 2 ports to each other, like so. And then once it's in, we're just going to put the battery inside the compartment like that. And then we're just going to close up this port just like that. And let's make sure that it's working. We're going to hit the power button right here.
Hello, Commander. Welcome to your new Ninebot Mecha Kit.
Okay, Commanders. The next step is to take the Ninebot S and put it onto the Mecha Kit right here. Now, if you're using the Ninebot S Kids, you're going to need this adapter pad to fasten into place underneath the Mecha Kit. Because I'm using the Ninebot S, I don't need to put this contraption on because it already has the right size on the device here for me. So I'm going to set this one aside, but if you are using the Ninebot S Kids, you're going to need this. So we have these 2 Velcro straps right here. I'm just going to remove the Velcro like so. Excellent. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to lift the frame and I'm going to slide my Ninebot S underneath the Mecha Kit right here. I'm going to pull these straps over top, and then I'm going to lower the Mecha Kit into place like so. And then what I can do, I grab my Velcro straps and I'm going to just make sure that the Ninebot S is nice and snug in place here. And attach the Velcro And then I'm going to grab my other strap here, bring it up and under, and pull nice and snug. There we have it. All right, so now we're going to activate the device. To do that, we're going to press this power button once.
Hello, Commander. Welcome to your new Ninebot Mecha Kit. If you cannot connect your self-balancing vehicle, please check to ensure you have the right adapter pad. If you have more questions, please contact technical support. Now, let's pair the Mecha Kit via Bluetooth. Press and hold the power button to search for your self-balancing vehicle.
Aye, aye, Captain.
Please activate the Mecha Kit in the Segway-Ninebot app. Hold the joystick with one hand to connect with the app. Connected with the app. Please activate the Mecha Kit. The Mecha Kit has been activated successfully. Let's review the driving instructions. Please follow the instructions every time you drive Mecha.
Okay, so that was how to assemble and activate the Ninebot Mecha Kit and the Ninebot S. Stay tuned for part 2 of this video where we'll show you how to ride and conquer your enemies. So for all of us at Segway of Ontario, thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, hit like. And if you really like it, subscribe to our channel for more awesome videos, tips, and tutorials. Have a great one, and we'll see you on the trails. Okay, Commanders. Now this is the most challenging part of the entire build. So this is where you're going to need your goggles that come with the Mecha Kit. And we're going to very delicately remove the plastic. Oh. That is so satisfying. Let's get this side. Oh yeah. That's the good stuff.